from our final day here in Las Vegas. We check out today, sadly, but also thank God. It's been a rough couple nights, so can't wait to get home. But yeah, it's checkout day. Our flight doesn't leave till 5, so we have a few hours. So we're gonna get out of here, go put our room with go put all of our bags with concierge. So they'll hold on to that until we have to leave later. Go get something to eat, and then walk around the resort a little bit more. Maybe get out down the strip. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to do that, but I would love to walk down the strip a little bit more. And then, yeah, head to the airport and get back to Tampa. So thanks so much for tuning in. Let's go have a great day. Let's go. Wanted to give you guys one last quick look at the room. One last look at the view we have. I'm gonna miss these mountains. The one thing we don't have in Florida is mountains. Yeah. This was it. It's a very nice suite. These beds are super comfortable. The service is great. It's been fantastic. All right, let's go get something to eat. So we are now in the lobby of the Palazzo. I didn't get to show you guys this last time. That way is the casino and up to the Grand Canal shops. This way is where rideshare is. Also, check my bag over there. That's where bag services is. Concierge is here. Check-in is on the other side of this fountain. Back over there, that's where check-in is. And then this is just super fun. And then this is an exit out of here. So it's the Palazzo lobby. Not as big as the Venetian, but still really nice. We're gonna head back this way, and I'm gonna go to Starbucks and do something else. So that's where we're going. So I wanted to give you guys a look at the map now I finally found one that might help explain things a little better. So Palazzo Casino's here, Palazzo entrance is here. These are all restaurants and stuff on the outside. Then this is Restaurant Row. That brings us over to where the convention center is. And this is the Venetian Casino. And this way is to where the Venetian front desk is. So it kind of goes all the way through. And on top of that is where the canals are. So a bunch of shopping centers over here. This is where the river, where the canal ride is and everything. This is St. Mark's Square, and then there's some more shops and everything else. So it is a huge, huge, huge resort. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. So this is the start of the Grand Canal shops in the Venetian. So you can see it makes it look like it's outside. And as it gets darker at night, this will change to dark. So I'll see if I can get pictures of that later. But these are, again, I was talking about the gondolas. Here you go. These are the gondolas, and they go inside. So we'll follow this river to St. Mark's Square. But yeah, how fun is this? This is what happens. These are expensive though. They're like $80 a person or something like that. But how fun. Okay, let's keep walking. And so we walked a little bit further to St. Mark's Square. This is it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just get up on this bridge right here to give you guys a better look. But it's a lot of restaurants and shops, and then again the gondolas. But yeah, look how pretty this is. It's supposed to make you feel like you're in Italy. Again, it's around dinner time now, so the sky's getting a little lighter. It almost looks like it's sunsetting. But yeah, this is it. And there's the rest of the mall that keeps going down both ways. More shops, more restaurants. But yeah, this is all inside the Venetian. The Venetian and Palazzo are huge. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. So maybe it'll make you want to come here. All right, so now we are heading downstairs from the Palazzo lobbies up there. Downstairs is where Palazzo rideshare is, luggage pickup, and all that good stuff is. So we're gonna grab our bag. Uber is called. Head to the airport. So let's get out of here. All right, so we have made it into the airport. I'm about to head to TSA to get to gates. I'm in gates B. I don't know if I've ever been there before. It might have been where we landed. But I'm gonna go get through TSA and then catch up with you guys then. So here we go. All right, so we are all through security now. I'll say it a million times. TSA pre-check, lifesaver, worth every penny. Got it through my credit card, but even if I didn't, it's so much easier to not have to like take my sweater off or take my shoes off, take my laptop out. It's so much easier. So now we're gonna head over to the gate, probably grab something to eat. We got about an hour before our flight, so that's the plan, because I am starving. So my plan was originally to do like an airport tour and show you guys around a little bit. I forgot how much like this wing of the airport sucks. There wasn't even like food. So I got chips and a drink for a 5-hour flight home. That's fun. But I wanted to give you guys one last look of Vegas. This is it. Got the cool mountains back there. MGM Pyramid, New York, New York. MGM Grand. Palazzo Venetian is here. So, you know, it's a good time. And this is the airport. Yeah. That's it in this wing. So kind of screwed myself getting through security, but I'm about to leave in like 15 minutes anyway. So it is what it is. So we're gonna sit down and then we'll get on the plane. All right, we've made it. We're literally the last row of the plane. One last view of Vegas. And then I'll time lapse us out of here. All right, we did it. We're back. We are back like we never left. Home sweet home, Tampa International. Flight was great, except for UNC losing at the end. That sucked right before I left. I had a pretty nice wager on UNC that could have gotten me close to even. And they blew it. They blew it. So that sucked to land too. But now we're gonna head back to the terminal, main terminal, and then head to the parking garage, get in my car, and drive home. So, to main terminal. Also, airports at night are like my favorite thing. You come in here and there's just like nobody here. It's so nice, like so fun to explore. It's not chaotic. Like TSA is closed because there's no more flights coming out of here. It's so fun. I love early flights, late flights, because you get basically the airport to yourself, and that's just great. All right, so we're back in the main terminal now. and from where we came from, we made a left, and we're heading back over to Sky Connect. And Sky Connect will take us to long-term parking, which is where I parked. So, another monorail ride. Here we go. Alright guys, we did it. We're back in the parking garage. I'm on the moving walkway right now in the parking garage, headed back to my car, which is right over here. But we did it. The trip to Vegas is over. Can't wait to actually get home. About a 30-minute car ride from the airport, which isn't too bad. But yeah, it's great to be back. The weather is gorgeous here, as always. It was a little cold in Vegas. Back to the sunshine, which is nice. I'm home for another week and a half, and then heading right back up north this time, and we'll be up in New York and Pennsylvania. So travel keeps coming, and we'll see you all next time. Have a great one. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like this. I don't know if you will or not. It's a little different from my other content. But yeah, let me know if you liked it or not, and maybe we'll do some more. See y'all next time. Bye.